When I was diagnosed with breast cancer, the first thing I thought about was my mom, who is a 3-time survivor. All I could think about was I definitely don't want to go through this again. My sister and I talked about going to get mammograms actually for years. And then we finally just said, okay, we're making these appointments after my mom's second bout with cancer. I was diagnosed with stage 0 breast cancer. I opted to have a bilateral mastectomy with reconstruction because it was the most effective way to not have breast cancer return, and I didn't have to have chemotherapy or radiation. Telling my mother was the hardest. When I got diagnosed, I did not tell her. What I found out way after the fact was she had gotten diagnosed for the 3rd time at the same time I had gotten diagnosed. I didn't tell her and she didn't tell me. My mother and I talked about it. Why did we keep it from each other? And we were both trying to protect each other. When I went through my recovery, my mom came back and said, you know what, I realized I had to get it again for you to save your life.